Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to learn the dance that you can see in the Netflix movie Voicemails for Isabel. Oh my God, I just love that movie. This is such a nice story. Anyway, remember this is a tutorial only, so if you want to practice with the music at different speeds, you can check my other video. All the links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so make sure you're warmed up, and we're going to do mirrored, meaning this is your right and this is your left. So we're going to start with the feet together and we're going to step on the right leg to the side. Yeah, boom. And while you do that, you're going to open your arms to the side. Palms of the hands are facing the side. Yes, and fingers are together like that. Yes, and while you do that, you're going to look to the right. So you're going to do boom. Yeah, you can go with your right hip a little bit as well. Yeah, so 1. Then we're going to cross the arms with the fist in front of you. Yeah, and this time you're going to look down a little bit in the diagonal. Boom. Yeah, so pam, pam. Yes. The weight is more on the left leg. So on the right leg, on the left leg. Yes? So it's going to be 1, 2. Then you come back center with your weight. Yes? And you're going to stretch your right arm up. Yeah? Like that. Yeah? So it's 1, 2, 3. And while you do that, you're going to look up. Yeah, and then the arm comes down and you're gonna put the left arm in front of you and you look in front of you. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's really not complicated, but it's a bit fast. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to turn towards the left and the right arm is going to come up. Yeah, and the left arm comes down. Yes. So we were here. I'm turning towards the left and the right arm is going to go up. Yeah. So on 5. When you're here, so I'm going to face front, yeah, but for that part, you're facing back. So once you're here, you're going to go with your hip to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Yes? So while you do that, your right hand is going to come here on the side of your hip. Then the left hand's going to come on the side. Then you go to the right. And then you go a bit slower. You take 2 counts to go to the left. Yeah, so it's going to be on 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yeah, so you swing your hips right to left. Yeah, and you're going to do that facing back. Yeah, so again, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn 5, I'm gonna face you. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, now I'm gonna do it facing back, but remember, I'm still doing it mirror when I'm facing back. Yeah, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay? Once we're here, when we've done 1, 2, so we finish with the hips to the left, we're going to do pam, pam. Yeah? So you're going to hands flex like that. Yes, flex. And you're going to stretch your right arm. And while you stretch your right arm, the left arm is going to bend. And then they're going to reverse, pam, pam. Yes? So you're only going to fully stretch your right arm. The left arm is just is stretching, but not fully. So it's going to be pam, pam. Again, pam, pam. With the right leg, down, down. Touch, touch. Yes? So when your legs, right leg touches down, that's when your right arm stretches. Yeah? While you do that, you're gonna finish your circle. Yeah? So you turn towards the left, and then you do the hips movement, and then you're gonna finish your circle turning to the left. So you're gonna do a full circle. Yeah, so you turn to the left, you do the hips, and then you turn back to the left to face front, yeah, while you're doing this movement, yeah? So we're gonna have to turn it, yeah? So let's say you finish here, you're gonna have pam, pam, yes? If you don't know how to turn, make sure you never turn on your heel, but on your toes and the ball of the foot, yes? So like that, lift your heel every time, yeah? So lift your heel so you can turn, yeah? So never on the heel, that's not how you turn. Always on the toes and the ball of the foot, yeah? Again that. So from the top, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, turn towards the left, and your hips go to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and you're gonna turn to the left and touch, touch. Yeah, so touch, touch. Again with a count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, remember when I'm facing back, I'm still mirrored. Yeah. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, turn towards the left, boom, 4. On 5, you're gonna do a little jump, yes, and then we're gonna do lasso 4 times, yes. So you can just do the arms, or you can also add a bit of your body going along with the movement if you want, yes? So the movement can be a bit bigger, yes? So we were here, we arrived, touched the second time on 4, and we do 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah? So you just jump for the first one, and then you stay for the 3 other ones, yeah? And that's half of the dance, that's to 8, yeah? Again from the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Turn towards the left. And 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you're gonna step on the right. Yes, so step on the right. You're gonna stretch that left leg, and your arm is gonna, yes, swing up, yeah, bend. And this time, your fingers are spread, yeah, like that, yeah. And you're looking in the diagonal down, boom. And then you do the same on the other side, boom, yeah. So it's a little bit slower. So it's gonna be on 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you're gonna cross. Yeah, and same thing, you're looking down in the diagonal. Then we're gonna do circle with the upper body. Arms come down. So you're gonna go down to the right, to the back, to the left, down and poof. You're gonna finish like that. Yes, so like you started, but this time you're gonna put 2 arms up, crossed like that. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, 5, 6, you arrive on 7, you stay on 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stay 8. Yes? After that, we're going to do 3 little run. So you can either do on the spot or you can turn it. Yeah, so we were here. If you turn it, turns towards the left. And 1, 2, 3. Yes, arms coming down. Yes, so 1, 2, 3 little steps, but it's going to be on the counts 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Here you're going to kick your right leg in front. You can bring your left arm as well if you want. Yeah, pam, pam on 3, 4. Yes, so we finish on here. It's going to be 1 and 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's finish it. It's almost finished. Then it's just kind of freestyle. So at the beginning of the movie, when they're little girls, they're just going to do that. Yes, so change, jump, and change their arms right, left with the fists. Yes. Or at the end, when she's an adult, she's just jumping and leaving her right arm in the air. Yeah, so pam, 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 pam. Yes, up to you. I'm going to do what they do at the beginning because I think it's more fun, but you can choose. Yeah, so we've done. We were here, we finished here. So we do the little run. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. One other jump. And you're going to land with your legs apart and right arm up. Yeah, this time you can have your hand flat. Yeah, you're looking up on the 1. Yeah, and that's finished. So again, when finished here, the run. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. From the beginning of the second part. So the 3rd and the 4th 8. So we finished the lasso, yes, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, run 1 and 2, kick 3, 4, jump 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again, we finish lasso, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, run 1 and 2, kick 3, 4, jump 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. From the top, not too fast. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, turn to the left, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, run 1 and 2, kick 3, 4, jump 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Last time, a little bit faster. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the right, left, right, left, turn towards the left, and lasso. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe so I can continue making these videos for free. Thank you for watching. Bye.